Hey guys, Aaron here. Thanks for watching the channel in the middle of a engine rebuild, hopefully, if you guys have been following the channel. But I just wanted to give a big thank you. Just hit 20,000 subscribers this weekend. Huge mile marker for me. Couldn't do it without you guys, of course. So I wanted to do a little giveaway. Auxito is a company that makes LED lights. These are headlights and fog lights, a complete set. Also comes with the wiring in here. Now those guys sent them to me for free to do an install and a review for them on my Ford F350. Unfortunately, when I went to look, I already have LEDs in the F350. But these things are supposed to work for a ton of different vehicles, so I told them I would give them away on the channel. All right, 3 easy steps you have to do to win. Like and subscribe to me, Help Me DIY. Bam, you should have already done that. You're a third of the way there. 2, go to Auxito LED's YouTube channel, subscribe to them. Easy. 3, go to auxito.com and see what kind of products they have. Come back here and comment on what you would want. It's that easy. Also, I'll put a link down here to show you all of the different cars that these things work with, so you'll know if you want them. Hey, if you don't want them, they're pretty expensive, so sell them on eBay. I don't care. Do what you want if you win. I'll pick a winner in the next week or so and leave you a comment to let you know you won. If you did win, you need to reply back, get a hold of me so I can get your name and mailing address, get these things out to you. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Again, I appreciate you helping me get to 20,000. 25,000 is the next mark. Let's go.